Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can increase your sales with affiliate marketing. I also placed a link in the description below, one of the best affiliate programs out there. It pays 100% commissions. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. I really believe the best way for beginners to make money online today is through affiliate marketing. For those who are not familiar with this concept, affiliate marketing is a process where publishers earn a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser using an affiliate link. The affiliate partner is rewarded a payout for providing a specific result to the retailer or advertiser. Now let's go over 7 tips that will help you to increase your sales with affiliate marketing. Number 1, use product before promoting it. As an affiliate, you should experience every product that you will promote to the customers. Buy the product, use it, and then see how much profit it will gain you. Make sure you like to use this product. If you use the product first, then you can get the most from it. Once you do that, promote the best features of the product to your customers. It will lead you to an impressive conversion rate and also maintain the reliability of your personal brand. Number 2, give free bonus on affiliate products. Include free bonuses on the affiliate products so that you become differentiated from other affiliates. Add free ebooks, reports, videos, or other things that can engage customers towards your site. Your free bonuses must have a high value and be relevant to the affiliate product that is to be promoted. Make your audience aware of the free gifts given after the purchase of a product by your affiliate link. If you're getting a good commission, then you need to offer the highest bonuses possible in order to stay competitive in the marketplace. Number 3, add detailed review. You need to write a positive review and include interesting information about the products to be promoted. Include all of the benefits, details, working of the product, etc. People are interested in buying items that will solve their problems easily. If you're explaining the working of products through videos, then keep those videos at a high quality level. Use your affiliate ads and the reviews to lead the customers to your information. You can also share your personal testimonial or case study that includes your detailed review and recommendation. Add your affiliate link to this review. For example, write a detailed review that recommends a certain book to readers. When these readers buy that book after reading your recommendation, then get credit on your affiliate sales. This is where affiliate ads are useful. Number 4, discuss products' pros and cons. No product is perfect, so clarify the advantages and disadvantages of using that product to your customers. Be transparent and share every possible product detail for authenticity. Your customers should not identify you as a person that just wants to earn money from affiliate links, so do not exaggerate the qualities and benefits of products. Once you gain trust, you can kickstart your efforts to build your affiliate network. Number 5, direct people to capture page. You should first direct your audience towards your lead capture page of the website. Collect their names and email details and add them to your email list. Thus, you can form an email autoresponder sales funnel that sends 10 to 15 email follow-ups in 2 to 3 weeks for these affiliate products. Most people don't purchase a product after seeing it just once. You need to build a good follow-up email system to gain the likes and trust factor of the audience. Provide an opt-in form that asks customers if they'd like to receive emails from your system. Number 6, use different tracking links. Identifying the clicks, conversions, and conversion rate from each traffic source is important so you know which traffic source are useful and which are not. Keep a different tracking link for every traffic source that's in use. Many good affiliate programs allow creating different tracking links. Affiliate commissions are based on the traffic and sales brought by affiliates, so they must be tracked properly. Number 7, promote products based on relevant niche customer requirements. Research your customer demands for the type of products and then provide them based on their requirements. Check where the product is currently selling and how many affiliates are providing it. See Alexa rankings of websites. Look for similar types of products on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc. And check their selling method. Perform a test and direct 1,000 targeted people to your affiliate link. Determine this conversion rate. You can also perform an A/B split test for a similar kind of product and compare the results. So guys, these are a few tips you can follow to promote affiliate programs. And if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, I recommend you click on the link in the description below this video to join a program that pays 100% commission. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. See you next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.